Welcome to the WickerShire Project, Season 1, Episode 11.
There's our hummingbird. Bella, what do you think?
Make a sandwich with meat and stuff and you want some cheese. And, oh no, there's a little bit of mold on the cheese and you're like, I can't eat that. I was about to throw it away. And Corey stopped me for a second because there's a whole package of it. And he's like, you could just wash it off with warm water. And I'm thinking, no, you can't, because it's got to eat all the way through the cheese. But it doesn't. So he walks over to the sink, turns on the hot water. As soon as it hits the water, it almost slides off. And it's clean cheese underneath. And then my brain's thinking, and I ask him a question. I'm like, isn't cheese wheels coated in mold? They are. It's the same stuff. I'm eating the sandwich right now. It is perfectly fine. We got chickens and turkeys. Nah, I'm just bullshitting ya. Lazy Acres, that's Glen and April's inside. We're visiting.
The WickerShire project is on the Lazy Acre.
They've adopted me and I'm staying. There's my room and board. So again, we're all hanging out. We got Lazy Acre Farm, Yellow House on the Hill. Say hi, guys.
Howdy.
Hey, everybody's here. Having a great time. Wish you guys could be here with us, but it is what it is, you know. It was a bring your own beer, BYB, OB. Yeah, we're all floored and hammered. You see, look at the camera staggering sideways. Got down the Lazy Acre Farms and I was warning Glen and April not to try to hug me. And April went and hugged me. And she got stuck real good. I'm going to show you the footage of what happens when you try to hug me. Earlier on today, April had gone in to show Nathan one of the roosters and bet on her. And we'll show you some tape of that later. April took a beating to her leg. Within probably 5 seconds, she took 3 stab wounds from the spurs of the rooster. She's wearing jeans and no boots, and it just cut through her leg like butter. And I got a little bit of footage, and I'm squeamish. So if you guys are going to squeamish too, you might want to stop watching for the next few seconds as I put that in this part of the video. You think roosters are a joke. This is like a murder scene. This is like 10 minutes later of her walking up the driveway, just pouring blood out of her leg. She's got 3 punctures. We don't even know how deep they are. Her blood was looked like an organ. It was coagulating and thick and trying to clot itself up. Again, roosters are dangerous.
Ow!
So April just went in with the rooster and it cut her wide open.
Right there.
Ow!
You put a hole in her. Yep.
I'm gonna
2
throw
holes
up.
or 1?
One so far.
I'm just gonna throw
Right there,
up.
see?
Yeah, right there.
You want to see what a rooster can do? You think that's a joke? She's bleeding deep. She got cut about half-inch in. This is Glen taping me taping Glen taping me.
Bella, who you petting? Billy Joe. Of course. Likes his head rubbed, just like Daddy.
There's the first two babies that was born.
So clean in here.
Yeah.
Where's Billy Joe?
Right here.
There he is.
You know, I hadn't even thought about that. I need to been doing some recording. She usually does all the recording. Yeah, that's Billy Joe right there. I actually bought him from Mason.
Which one, that Billy?
Yeah, Billy.
Yeah, if you want to sell him, I'll buy him back.
You know, I told you I named him Billy Joe.
Yeah.
That's Billy.
That's Billy Joe. That's his name back there. The lady usually does all this recording. I don't. And I've been needing to redo some recording today with him being down here.
He only wants the attention.
Oh, yeah. Well, they're all getting that way. But we're going to go over here and look at these little babies.
I love their ears. They're so long.
What?
Those are babies.
They're still babies, but these are about 3 months old.
Oh, okay.
It's Thursday. Or a week ago Thursday.
And you didn't know until I gave birth, right?
Yeah, I knew that these was all pregnant. But
No, but did you know the twins?
no.
No.
This one here, she actually had triplets. This one, the one they're petting over there, and then another one, but it didn't make it. And then that one, I figured she's going to have twins. And that's all. It's not bad.
Is it on
So
the
little.
lighter side of cows? Because I don't.
It says
It's a sweeter taste than cats.
She's
But
tiny.
To me, they ain't a great big deal.
That's my hand.
I figured it's going to be a whole
She's
lot.
tiny.
I can
But
put
now I'm
goats
talking about
up, you know.
fresh cow's milk straight out of the cow, you know.
Yeah.
Now, compared to store-bought
Nathan, don't chase
stuff,
him.
it's
Don't
a
chase
little
him.
different,
Yeah.
even to the- once you get out of
Hey,
the
Dad.
store-bought. It's by that store-bought meal, and especially the 2% and the 1%. The milker. Now I use milker.
The pigs smell horrible. The goats a little stinky. They're all right. They're not so bad. But the pigs, the pig in the mud pit over there. Whoa. Turkeys.
Them a turkey.
No, it is not morning. It is not morning. Bella.
Tiny bugs keep biting me.
Yeah. So.
White egg.
Those are good. Yep.
The rest of them is probably gonna lay a brown egg.
That's fine too.
Oh my God! What is
One of
that?
each. Two of each.
Guineas.
Those are the guineas. They want in. I can't put the light on them because I don't want to wake everybody up. Right? Don't put the light on them.
It probably won't hurt them.
No, but I mean, there you go. That's what they look like. I mean, I don't want to put the beam in their eye.
That's the best way to catch them. Blind them. That's about the only way you can catch a guinea is blind them.
You want to bring the cage in there with you?
No, I'll just bring them out there and put them in. Time to get you a mixture. That way you have some color.
Buddy time stories. I'm laying in bed. We're trying to get to bed early. We went to go see Lazy Acres, and it took a lot out of me. Driving is, 4 hours there and 4 hours back, and we stayed there about 5 hours and hung out and got to see the whole farm, and it was wonderful. It was really, really good. We just got chickens from Lazy Acres. There was 1 rooster and 11 hens, and we put them up at the horse barn. From the horse barn. So I get out of bed, and I just got this feeling that I should go look. Get out of the house, and I go out the front door, and I'm looking for the fireflies because they're awesome here. They're all over the place. A courtesy flush, just to make sure we don't clog the toilet. Let's see. I get around the corner, and I'm going to go up and see the chickens, and I'm going to build them a roost, some sort of board that they can perch on. Anyways, I get around the corner of the camp house, and the story's getting really long here. I'm going to tell you this story so I can tell you another story. And there he is. It's the rooster by himself, and he's walking down the path towards me. So there he is, in his full glory, and he's a big rooster. He's probably around 7 pounds. He's good size. Yeah. This is just a little touch, just touching him. He was able to cut me just a little bit, which brought back nightmares. Yesterday we visited Lazy Acres down in North Carolina from Jonesville.
You get close up here if I can. The WickerShire project.
And April had gone into a pen with one of her roosters. She was going to show my son. Thank God my son did not go in there. The rooster put his head down, and he fluffed up his neck, and he hit her one time, and she kicked at him, telling him, stay away from me. And then the rooster attacked a second, third, fourth, fifth time, and April got out of the pen. She's like, wow, he's being really nasty tonight. And we all look down, and she's bleeding through her pants, and then she's wearing jeans, and her sneakers filling up with blood.
Love to serve, and Jess was worrying about you. I'll tell you, that rooster.
Yeah, she's blaming it on the rooster.
So with his spur in the back, he jammed her like 5 times in the leg, and she was bleeding like a pig. Like, she was really bleeding bad, and I'm squeamish, and I felt bad. I was like, if we never showed up, she would have never got cut. Now I'm petrified of my rooster, even though she said, oh no, he's a sweet one. So he's like bobbling down the hill coming at me, and I'm thinking, like, they're the closest related things to Tyrannosaurus Rex. So the rooster's coming down, bobbling, and all happy. Like, that's a 1/10 of a mile to come from the barn way up there all the way down around the corner and come down to where the camp house was. And he's just coming right at me. He's walking right towards me like he owns the place. And I'm just like, oh. Luckily, we had a net out there for catching butterflies. So I get the butterfly net, which is like an old fishing net, like a really, really weak old fishing net. And I swat at him, and then all of a sudden the dog, out of nowhere, our dog is a farm dog, and he chases the chicken, and you have no clue how fast chickens are. Little Ferrari, like, vroom, they fly, right? He's gunning it, and he's just outrunning the dog. He runs around the camp house, and he got stuck in the corner, and I netted him. We bring him up there, and Corey helped me dump him back into the horse pen. But it scared the living crap out of me. Only because of what I seen and what the other one did to April the other day, making her bleed really bad. So I was freaked out. I'm manly, I'm pretty tough, but when it comes to a rooster, I'm a run. I just lose it. You want to have chaps on. You want to have some thick leather, some chainmail maybe, because it's no joke. I might have video and footage on here I'm going to post, so stay tuned.